Let's talk about Argon Tableware Water Hyacinth Weave Placemats set of 6 palm leaf. Argon Tableware Water Hyacinth Palm Leaf Weave Placemats set of 6. Rustic look and feel. Each placemat is handmade and adds a touch of class to the table. Dimensions: diameter, 30 cm. Perfect for protecting the table from plate scratches and hot dishes. Made from hand-woven, hard-wearing water hyacinth. The mats are very sturdy and extremely good value for money when compared to other mats made from natural materials. I had expected something more rough and ready, but they are well made and tidy. For my liking, they are too thick, deep, too chunky, hence 4 not 5 stars, my only reason to drop a star and just my own personal taste, but certainly they will protect surfaces from hot pans and dishes. They were bigger than I expected, but I should have read the description better because they are exactly as described. I love the look of these in the pictures, but when they arrived, they shredded a fair bit on my table, which is white, so it showed up. One of the placemats was also significantly bigger and a different color to the rest, as if it came from an older batch. I unfortunately had to return. Excellent quality. Excellent price. Very happy with these mats. Bit big, but that's just means more for your money.